Good evening and a warm welcome to this program. Actually, this program is rescheduled from yesterday. As you know, I am making this program available to you at free of cost. So I am trying to use the platform where it is economical to do. At the same time, there are a lot of disturbance, including from LinkedIn. Where if you are not paying, then you are not going to get enough support. So I have rescheduled the program from yesterday to today. As you know, the topic of the today is the difference among these terms: data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. Uh, in this domain specifically, there are no relevant standard maturity model which we see in other domains. So everybody is having a liberty to interpret in their own way. On the other hand, any of the participant, if you know these terms as per definitions or guidance provided by a global organization which is recognized by most of the organization, it is fine, you are welcome to do. Otherwise, we have to go as per the understanding what you learn from this session. Of course, I am trying to use this term for our specific program on data science for supply chain and logistic, and how it is very important for supply chain professionals. So let me attach the screen and explain you. So this image gives you the difference between data analytics and data science skill. As you see on the right side, it is a basic form. When you say data analysis, you are not an expert, you need not know many things into the analytics, but you are making some presentation format or getting some basic insights. So you can see using some basic database system or visualization software like Power BI or Tableau may be sufficient. This is the reason why many of the candidates approach me. I want to learn only Power BI or Tableau, but in the process, you are not going to become a supply chain analyst by learning only visualization software. On the other hand, I believe this is more of a clerical work. When you do basic data analytical skill, unless you are doing something more by using other methods, then it's purely clerical. Let us see what is the difference when compared to data science. Of course, here it is more in depth. You need machine learning, software development, big data, algorithm development, and there are some overall skills. If you want to move to the next step, you should move ahead of the data analysis or data analytics alone. So let us see among these topics when it comes to data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. What are the difference? Here we can see a consolidated image. When we talk about data science, we are talking about data preparation, process mining, visualization, statistic, experimentation like this. On the other hand, if you see artificial intelligence, it is more like a mapping of a human brain where you can do multiple things, including linguistic, sensor, robotic, vision, computer vision, all that. Whereas machine learning has a lot of inbuilt algorithm like SVM, KNN, Bayesian, decision tree, deep learning, all that. Of course, you have an overlap here also, like text mining, time series forecasting, or recommendation engines. Of course, when it comes to supply chain analytics, using basic data analytics may not be sufficient. In fact, we need to use a combination of all three. It's not only machine learning or data science or artificial intelligence. As I know, there is no clear boundary between these three. Okay, there is a considerable overlap among all these three, because even in machine learning we use a lot of artificial ANN network algorithm in solving the problem. Okay, so we need to understand or go one step above the basic data analytics to have a deeper inside the supply chain to resolve the problem or make the prediction or do the optimization. So in this aspect, you need to understand many of the organization who are training in supply chain analytics, possibly some of the IAMs, they do not go to this level. They try in the basic level, giving some inputs on statistics or mathematical modeling. At the most, use Microsoft Excel. But if you need to do similar thing in a much better way, in a easier way, then you need to understand all these concepts. This is where the things may become much easier. One more thing is, for a supply chain professional, no one is expects you to be a master in statistics or mathematics. On the other hand, you need to know the tools which are easy to use, because this is only a part of your overall process. Assuming you have knowledge of supply chain process, then you need some quick analysis. Suppose if you are trying to improve the things, then analysis is required. You are going to grab from this analytical tools, find what are the problem areas, and then apply to it. Then only it is complete. Okay, so you need to have this tool as a supporting tool in your career. Don't spend too much on basic visualization or even studying statistics or mathematics. That may not be really required. Okay, if you need further details on our program, you are always welcome to either get in touch with me or one of my associates to know the detail. And don't fall prey to unnecessary things which may not help in your profession. Why employers are looking for supply chain analytics is, you need to use this skill to improve the performance at your job, or the performance of overall organization. That's the ultimate gain. Finally, making some presentation or showing some insight alone is not sufficient. They are trying to see how this insight you are able to adopt in improving the performance of the supply chain. So anyone watching live in LinkedIn or YouTube, you are welcome to comment so that we can revert back. We have a program on data science for supply chain and logistic professional, which will serve as a additional tool kit for your career improvement. Of course, I am using data science. It equally means it could be artificial intelligence or machine learning or data analytics, but you have to keep in mind, ultimately the goal is how you are going to use this tool to improve your performance. That's the final point. Thanks for watching. Have a nice evening. Bye.